You might be wondering, what is a vault, right? Before that, you need to know what is a secret. So, secret is anything that you need to safeguard, that whose compromise, whose exposure can lead to substantial losses, right? So, it might contain your API keys, it might contain your database connection credentials, it might even contain username and passwords or any other secret that you want to protect, right? So, that's a secret. Now, this secret needs to be protected. Traditionally speaking, we used to put all the secrets in application.properties we find in the Java Spring Boot project, or we used to put it in some type of config file, or it was also easily exposed through API requests that we make through the in the payloads, in the headers. There are n lot of different places these credentials would be found. We all have been at places where we have seen these secrets in our Git repositories, which is a very bad thing to do, right? Since the exposure of these secrets can lead to losses, as we said earlier. So now, what is this vault that protects it? Imagine vault as a centralized storage location in which you put in your secrets from all different places, and the vault is then responsible for making sure that these secrets are tight and protected and only accessible to the people who are legitimate, right? Okay, I hope that is clear. Now, what exactly does it do to make sure that these secrets are protected? One, of course, the secrets are kept encrypted, right? So, if you were to implement the same system that you would have, then you would have to implement the flow of encrypting the secrets and decrypting the secrets, and that all would have been part of your code base, which means you would again have to face a problem where you need to save or store or safeguard the encryption key, which again is a chicken and egg problem. That's why vault itself internally encrypts these secrets that you put inside and decrypts them whenever you ask for them. So that is one thing that vault does. Second, vault provides role based access. So what does role based access mean? That means users or users with the roles who have actual policies to access secrets or to write over secrets or whatever action they are trying to provide. If they are allowed to do that, only then they will be enabled to make changes to the particular secret or even read it, right? So this makes it possible to catch ungenuine, I would say, or malicious users in your system. So that these are the two things that are the most important. And third one is, of course, all of this takes place through API calls, right? So there's a vault and there's your code base, your system, your server, your backend, whatever, which communicates with the vault through API request. It communicates through API request, and with the API request, it sends an access token that is provided to us by the vault, and this access token is time bound. That means the time bound access token will go away or expire after some time, and you won't be able to make a successful API request after that using the same access token, right? So this ensures that even if the access key was compromised, you won't be at a loss for a long time. So yep, this is how the vault protects your secrets, and this is why you should use vault instead of putting secrets in your Git repositories. And yeah, one last thing, make sure to always safely keep the access token, access key, or password, or whatever way of logging into your vault you are using, because once you lose access to the vault, not even vault will be able to access your secrets, because that's the point, right? So yep, cheers, see you next time.